Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Today my tatay is playing with me.
Yes.
Let's go! Yes, you got orange
What should
stuff.
I do? What's my garden? Do you see my garden?
Yeah, it's right over here.
Oh, look. Wow. They're not growing pa.
It's nice to meet you. How are you today?
What's this? Blueberry.
That's blueberry.
Mm,
These are carrot.
carrot.
You can collect them and then sell them.
Okay. Oh, my ostrich.
Your ostrich.
Eyes.
Tatay,
Hmm.
if your ostrich is hungry na,
Mm,
you need to feed it.
okay. Yeah.
Eyes.
You need to collect your fruits. Now,
Mm.
now click here. Here, this one. Now click feed. The feed button. It's so small. It's so small.
In.
Okay, anyways, let's start.
Oh, Nanay! Tatay, there's a seed.
So let's begin with your one,
Where's the fruit?
three,
Tatay,
I hold the fruit.
you need... That's not the fruit. That's the seed. Tatay, look. Look what I have. Tatay, look. Look at what I have.
Mm.
Look.
No, it's not.
It's, night staff.
No.
And I also have this one. Wait lang. I'll give you something. I'll give you some.
My ostrich now.
I'll give you something. Wait. Not this.
Oh.
Not this. Not that. Wait.
So are you ready for the quiz?
Tatay. Oh,
what's
tatay.
that?
Don't move. I'll give you.
Okay.
Insect.
Thank you.
Wait, there's still more. Don't leave pa. There's still more.
Very good. Perfect. Okay, kindly read all one last time.
Oh, where's the thing what I got? This one.
Oh, so good. Thank you.
Okay, next one. Oh,
Ang dami ah.
So we have
sell it if I'm done na.
Sell it?
Yeah, sell it if I'm done na. I'm done na.
Where?
Go to click the red button,
Okay. And then?
then talk, and then say I want to sell my inventory.
And then?
Then
Okay.
see, that's how to get money. Tatay,
Hmm.
look how many checkouts do I have?
What?
Trillion.
Wow. How about mine?
Wait, that's only 2 million.
Okay.
It's only 2 million. Look,
That's all for our pattern. Let me
What's
give
that?
you a
look, this is your money.
good job. Let's have
This is your money.
Yes, 27 million. Wow. How about you?
I have trillion.
Where?
Oh,
right.
Ang galing niya eh. Paldo. Paldo. Ano yun? Si Paldo.
Tatay, you know, Tatay, you know to not say bad words.
Yes. That's not bad word. Paldo.
Yeah, I know.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm here.
I'm here at your garden.
Here. I'm in my garden.
Man,
What?
can you go here?
Why?
I want something like this.
What?
Like this, oh.
What?
This one.
Tomato?
Why is it, just like, why is it shiny?
Tatay, look, ang dami mutation.
Is that mutation?
Yeah. If there's if a weather appears, that means it will give your fruit a mutation.
I want this one. Look this one.
Bamboo?
Yes, bamboo.
But it already got deleted.
Oh my god.
Later, Dandel will
Oh, I can go. I can go. Look, I can climb at your.
Do you want to
he can climb this way.
Look! I'm here at the top. Wando.
Wow, yes, I can see you. I want to climb.
Wow, I'm on the top.
If you have a question, let's start.
Your bamboo shoot.
Paldo! Paldo, ang dami.
How about the coconut tree? I want coconut tree. Can you give me? How can I buy that?
It already got deleted too.
Oh my god.
Later, Dandel will add them later.
Okay.
Look, this is the
Fresh, yeah?
oh, may banana seed. Buy that.
So
Okay,
here
Then buy it.
inheritance.
Oh, no, stop na. Oh my god.
Go to your garden and plant it.
Very good. Very good.
We need to go there so it's more faster.
So
Yeah.
since imperative or good are sentences that give commands, the sentences start with right?
Put it somewhere. Where do you want to put it?
So
Anywhere.
what about if you
Here?
want to
Yes,
use
yes, it's okay.
negative root?
Okay, now
So
put
here are examples.
Wow.
okay here.
Where's the banana?
Guys, I just helped
Where's the banana, really? Nawala yung banana.
It's right over here.
Where?
Here.
It's here?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What is this? What is this sprinkler?
That is for growing the plants.
Ah, okay. I want to buy something. I want to buy a refresher. What's toxic?
See if this will
I don't know. Cauliflower seed. I don't know.
Guys, I just helped my thing.
Oh, look. What's this?
How about your
What's this?
That mounting
This one. So big na agad.
tomato.
Mm.
Tomato.
It's so big agad. So bilis.
But this is more bigger.
Hmm?
Oh,
Yeah.
mushroom.
Wow, ano. Oh my God.
what is this?
How can I get sprinkler?
Go to the gear shop.
What happened to my ano? My seeds.
Look. Oh,
Wait lang. Ang ito. Ano? Why? What happened?
that's not a seed kasi.
Ah. No, this is a seed. Strawberry?
If there's another text.
Ah.
If there's a
Wet. Because it's wet. Oh, ano. Oh, that's right. I will sell it.
you collect it kasi. Well, you collect it kasi.
Oh, okay.
Okay, want this na. Okay.
So the underlined word either get it off of the
How can I go there?
so I will ask
Huh?
I want to go there on the sprinkler. Something. Here. I want and one.
Only the harbor shop.
No stalks. No stalks.
Tatay, or is this egg in
How
stock?
about this one, Godly?
Do you have
Sprinkler.
any questions?
Sprinkler.
Is it in stock?
Not so
Yes.
far. Let's
Let me
continue
see.
with the
Like a Don't be sad.
Why is it so fast? Oh my god. Oh my god, so mahal yung spray. 20 million. Oh my god, so mahal.
yeah.
You can still buy it.
30 million. Oh my god. Oh my god. I only have 2 million.
Like amazing.
Why is it wala na? Mas naman.
So, I don't know how to say it. Can you read it for me?
Traveler fruit seed.
Is it correct? Amazing.
Lily of the valley seed. Let's back.
Oh, the cat isn't radical, right? So for things or
What is?
animals, we can use
What
it
is?
for. So let's make
Give me something good.
your examples.
Please give me something good. Rosie Delight was there? Oh my god. Another white carrot. Another white carrot. How many uses now? Oh no. Oh my god, Rosie Delight was there. Oh my god, Rosie Delight was there. Melon. Melon. Natay. Look, look,
Mm.
look. Rosie Delight.
What's your delight?
That's actually, maybe it's mythical. Is it?
Correct.
I also have moon melon.
Melon. Oh.
That's actually expensive.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Also, Rosie Delight. That's expensive.
What's your delight?
Also, parcel flower. Oh, look.
Mm.
Tatay.
Mm.
Guess the tatay. I will. Tatay. I'll tell you something.
Oh.
Tatay, I'll tell you something.
Mm.
Guess all the seeds.
Mm.
First one. This one.
That's avocado.
No, it's not.
Is that avocado?
It's foxglove.
Foxglove?
Yeah, it's foxglove.
Okay.
What this?
That's orange.
No, that's not.
What's that?
Pitcher plant.
Oh, that's so hard naman.
What?
What would you...
I'll give you something. I'll give you something
Easy.
easy. Wait. This one.
Banana.
Yes. What this? The seed.
Tomato?
Yes. Okay, wait. What this?
Oh, what's that?
That's ember lily.
Maybe that's that's apple mango.
That's not.
Uh-huh.
Okay. What this?
What's that? That's avocado.
Yes. What this?
Oh, what's that? Maybe that's
It starts with the letter P.
P?
Yeah.
Pineapple.
No. It's
What's that?
pear.
Pear.
Yes. What this?
Oh my god.
Tatay.
Maybe that's mango.
It starts with a C-A-N-T-A-L-O-U.
The one we really Let's have
What?
Cantaloupe?
No, cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe.
What this?
Maybe that's
These are the verbs.
blue. Is there any blue fruit?
This blueberry.
Ah, oo nga.
So what's this?
Blueberry.
No?
What's
Yeah,
that?
so here are some examples.
What's
It
that?
starts with the this
Cauliflower.
no it's not. This one.
Yeah.
This berry. It's called
Raspberry seed.
yes, you didn't know. What this? What this?
That maybe it's mango.
No, mango is 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 yellow.
Mm.
What this? It starts with the G and REEN.
Great. Yeah?
It starts with the G and REEN. What's the last word?
Green apple.
Yes. What this? It's not cacao.
So we need.
What's cacao?
No, it's not.
Chocolate.
No,
So
Coffee.
next is
no,
Coffee bean.
no.
What's that?
Chocolate carrot.
Chocolate carrot?
Yeah. What this? It starts with the NIGHTSHA. What's the last word?
What's that?
It's orange shade.
Nightshade?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait lang. Wait, tatay, I'll give you something. I'll give you a pet.
Okay.
look at this.
Capybara.
Cute.
But I cannot give you pa.
No,
Because Chandler is making something pa.
okay, that's okay.
Let's see if I can.
So you did a great job with Newman and Muchi.
Cannot give
And you
you.
already practiced.
We have blood kiwi.
Oh, what's that?
Blood kiwi.
So is that all? I think
that's
you still have a few minutes left. But
Look up at caterpillar.
are you doing good?
It's like, is that on the Minecraft?
You still have to study.
That's caterpillar.
No, it's not like the on the Minecraft character.
What?
The green one.
It's just 6:40.
Is that?
What?
The green one that I put on your face paint like last time when we were on church. What's that?
Finish all
Creeper.
your books.
Creeper, yes. This is the creeper. Look at his
You look
eyes.
like an owl.
Increase.
I
Oh, look. It's like creeper.
Yes.
Do you know any idol who look like you?
But he is eating grass. No, that one.
Okay, nice to meet you, Nole. Thank you for your time. See you
Dum
around.
dum 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 dum. Are you sleeping?
I'm just sleepy. What should I do next now? There's no other naman seeds.
Tayo.
Oh.
Tayo. I'll tell you something. Can we play another game?
What another game?
Let's go play.
I want this.
What game do you want to play?
This one, the grow garden. We want to grow my garden. So big.
Tatay.
Oh,
Let's go play another game. Then let's go play another game.
I want this one grow garden.
I don't want.
I don't want to grow a
So
garden.
boring na.
Look. It's a tall na. Look.
So boring na.
Wow, nice.
What do you collect? Are you collecting?
Going to sell.
If you collect all your fruits,
Oh.
tatay,
Hmm.
tatay, later you'll be paldo. Because nobody has given you something pa.
Hmm.
Tatay, tatay,
Hmm.
I'll tell you something.
Hmm.
Let me play another game. Glory Garden is boring.
Hey.
So boring. One.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
guys.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
For watching.
Thank you for watching.